Take 3, and where this is the back gate?
That's right. 22 feet wide.
22 feet wide. You gotta talk up. There's a little bit of noise.
22 feet wide because the road to access the back of the property runs parallel. So in order to get a big trailer in here, I made it nice and wide so that you can pull straight in this way and then back straight to where the horse stalls are.
Oh, very nice. Looks like that's that big footer.
It's 12 inches deep and I think 14 inches or 16 inches wide. And I have had fully loaded sand trucks, as you can see. Lots and lots of them, weighing, I don't know, somewhere around 80,000 pounds. I've had lots of those in and out of here. And they drive right over it. It hasn't cracked.
So it looks like we have a power source here. We're just not hooked up. Is what's going on there.
Yep. Well, if you look, you want to notice that the footer actually runs the full length of where the gate goes.
Okay.
And it does have reliefs poured into it, and it is steel reinforced.
What would it take to get this going?
I did not run electricity to this back corner because I never made it as far as the barn.
Okay.
But once electricity is available, it's available on this side, but not this side. Once electricity is available over here, it's actually plumbed right down, the electrical tube goes right down there, so you can just trench to right there, hook power to that. I also have the chains and all the other pieces in a nice little box that will come with the property so that you can finish putting this together when you're ready. But honestly, we haven't found a lot of use for it unless you're actually having big trailers come in this way. It's actually easier to use the front.
Or if you bring some horses.
Exactly. It is easy to set up and use, but
so let me ask you this. Would you be willing to stay on the property or come visit every day or weekly until whoever buys it gets everything set up the way that you intended things to be set up?
Absolutely. I'll work something out. This isn't the first time I've done extraordinary things with the property, and I'm all about the people being comfortable with what they've got in front of them and how to take care of it and all that. That's big to me.
It's kind of like Neil Young's song, Old Man, when he described that song. He said it was about the caretaker of a ranch he bought. He said the old man was there when he bought the house, and he just stayed on. So you're the old man. I'm
kind of the mindset you never really own a property. You're just kind of a caretaker for it.
Yeah, that's right.
As long as you have it.
So explain all this beach sand. How much beach sand do we have here? Like 750 tons?
I've brought in about 750,000 pounds of sand. A lot of it in my own trailer, and a lot of it by...
Looks like a hitching post here for a horse.
That's right.
All right. Well, we're going to get in detail on this, but I think we could go ahead and do the outdoor grill here real quick on this take. You want to explain what we have here?
Argentinian style grill.
Argentinian. All right, I made him paint it this blue. I love the color. So why an Argentinian grill? What does this thing do?
This is by far one of everybody's favorite pieces of this property.
And I've eaten a steak on this last weekend when I was here. It was amazing, a ribeye. So this goes up and down, and we cooked on it with oak, right?
I just realized we lost a burger this weekend.
Oh yeah, it looks like the ants are having a field day.
I've been looking for it and looking for it.
There it is.
Found it. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, I was trying to tell you to cut because I didn't want the food there, but that's okay.
No, it's all right.
Anyway, so yeah, super easy to use, super easy to take care of. Believe it or not, you actually clean it out with a shovel or a blower. You can blow all of the ash and everything right out the back side of it, or you can scoop it into a bucket if you want to use the ash in the garden. And the reason I say that is because everything here is chemical free. All the firewood has actually even been harvested from the property. Trees that were either dead or had to come down for one reason or another. But it's also a rotisserie. If you look at the side of the grill, there are actually grooves.
Oh yeah.
So that you, in theory, I haven't tried it because I don't have a deer to try it with. But in theory, I've also got this giant skewer for it.
That goes with the property?
Giant forks, yep. Everything. Right. I'm including everything.
Okay.
I'm including what you need to take care of the beach. I'm including what you need to take care of the grass, what you need to take care of everything.
Okay.
So when you have this place, when we come to,
so I just bring my toothbrush and my clothes.
Tractor, dump trailer, everything you could possibly need to run this property, I intend to leave on the property when I go.
Fantastic. We're going to talk about this koi pond in the next take, which is take 4.